Hey guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be trying out a brush styling technique with the pattern brush, and I'm also going to be trying out some new Curl Talk products, so just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I'm just going to go right in and start sectioning my hair, and I'm going to dampen my hair a little bit because I don't want to go in on dry hair. And I'm going to be trying out these Not Your Mother's Curl Talk products. I'm going to be going in with a defining cream first, and I'm going in with this pretty much as like my leave-in conditioner step because I'm not using a leave-in conditioner. This day, I'm going to just use the defining cream as my leave-in. These products smell really great, first of all, but also this defining cream works like a leave-in conditioner because I go in with my Tangle Teezer here to detangle my hair. The defining cream with my Tangle Teezer works really well together, like to get all the knots out of my hair. So for this to just be a defining, like styling cream, this works really well as like a conditioning first step type of product. And also, as you guys can see, my curls are really shiny already, and I haven't even put on like the styling gel. So this defining cream adds a lot of shine if you guys are looking for a defining cream to add shine. The way it glides through my hair, this is very moisturizing. I highly recommend this. I wasn't expecting this to be like as heavy of a product as it is. And I say heavy in a good way. I just thought it was going to be like too lightweight for my thick curly hair, but it wasn't, and I really like this product. And although I always go in and detangle my hair really well before I go in with a styling product, I'm really trying to be thorough with the Tangle Teezer this time because I know that with brush styling, if your hair is in any kind of tangles or knots, it's a nightmare to brush style your hair. So I'm also making sure every tangle and knot is out of my hair. So I'm just going to twist that section away, clip it up, and do the exact same thing on the other side. After I'm done applying the defining cream, I'm going to go in and section my hair again, starting from the bottom like I always do. And I'm going to go in with the Hard Hold Curl Talk gel. And this gel surprised me very much. So first of all, it is a thicker gel. Smells great again. But the texture is not like light or anything. It's a very dense, like thicker gel. And I was surprised that they put it in a squeeze bottle. I'm fine with a squeeze bottle, but you would think they would put this in like a jar type packaging. And I'm just gonna glide that into my hair, smooth it out. And now I'm gonna go in with the pattern brush. And I think this brush is great if you want to detangle, but I also think this is a really good styling type brush because it has so many teeth. And as you guys can see, at first I had no idea what I was doing. I was just trying to learn as I go. So you want to go slow when you're brush styling, not fast because you don't want to rip your hair out. And also I tried to do like this flick wrist motion when I got towards the end to like make sure the ends like curled up really nice, if that makes sense. I feel like you understand by seeing more than me explaining this. I feel like visually you can get it, but it's really hard to explain like the technique to brush styling because I'm still learning as I go, like as I was watching this and when I was doing it in the video. So as you guys can see, I'm just flicking like the end part, like when I get to the bottom of my hair. I also really love how well these products work together. They play really nice mixed together. And just because they're from the same brand doesn't always mean that they're going to work together, because I've tried many products from the same brand that don't really work together. But these play really nice. They're a perfect marriage. So I highly recommend these together because they add a lot of shine and definition. So the Curl Talk products have me, wanting to repurchase ASAP. As you guys can see, I'm still using the same technique, and I'm just so impressed how shiny my hair is just looking at this. These Curl Talk products add a lot of shine, which is really nice. Also, another tip that I would recommend as I was doing my hair was making sure that every section is saturated evenly. Like, you don't want to miss like any kind of section. Like, if there's any frizzy section, your hair is going to be more frizzy from the brush. So make sure your hair is very coated with product. So after I'm completely done brush styling my hair is looking really defined and shiny and bouncy. So we're just gonna air dry, and I love the way my hair came out. The only thing is, this Curl Talk gel hard hold is an understatement because it has a very strong hold. So if you guys do not like strong hold gels, it's not for you. Get the level 3, not the level 5. But my hair turned out really great. It lasted for about 3.5 days, almost 4 days. But I would highly recommend brush styling. I am going to try it with more of my styling products. And you guys let me know if you've ever tried brush styling and how it worked for you. And thank you guys so much for watching.